Cyber attacks can have devastating consequences, ranging from financial losses to reputational damage. So, it's essential for organizations to regularly audit their cybersecurity measures. Auditing is the unsung hero of cybersecurity. It's like having a detective on your team, constantly searching for vulnerabilities and weaknesses in your defenses. Here's why auditing is crucial. Auditing helps pinpoint weaknesses and gaps in security measures. It ensures organizations adhere to industry regulations and compliance standards. Audits can detect potential breaches and unauthorized access to sensitive data. Regular audits lead to stronger security postures, better equipped to fend off evolving cyber threats. Ultimately, auditing is the backbone of a robust cybersecurity strategy. It's the difference between reactive defense and proactive protection. Whether you're a startup, small and medium enterprise, or a multinational corporation, auditing in cybersecurity is essential for protecting your digital assets against cyber attacks.